Comrade Peter Phillips, who is my member of parliament. And I can tell you a story why I'm here to support Comrade Peter Phillips. When I was 16 years old, I had a birthday party in 113 Agley Park Road, also known as Little Lane. I was in sixth form, and so I met this girl from uptown. Nice girl, I don't call her name because people know people. And I met this girl from uptown. And in those days, you have to cut the cake before the party starts, and young people party start like 8 o'clock. And at 8 o'clock, she's not there, and my mother is saying, where's this girl, where's this girl? I go and jump the fence over one lady named Miss Clearyard and pay her $5 to make a call. And I call the girl and say, where is she? She said, my sister not ready, my little sister not ready. I said, come, because my mother start cuss. Come, left the sister. She come. Lo and behold, the father now, I carry the little sister. When the father reached the lane, it was a dirt lane. I don't know if Peter Phillips remember that. With a standpipe. And the standpipe make, nobody know like the pipe. So it's pure mud and morass with zinc fence. And the father take up every girl in that party and say them can't stay. Only person left was my sister then. Lo and behold, Peter Phillips gave us road. Peter Phillips gave us water. Peter Phillips gave us zinc fence removal. It's Peter Phillips' fault why I'm in office and me a back door boy. I'm going to people's house and I eat the breast instead of the wing because Peter Phillips make me know say, yo, I am somebody by building up my community. So when me say me believe, it's not from what I've heard, it's from what I've seen. Because Peter Phillips take my community from a place where me used to come off of the bus and wait till it drive off to a place where me can walk, go in and feel proud. 113 Agley Park Road, built and developed by Peter Phillips.